In today's video, how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Check app permissions. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap Apps. Use the search bar or scroll through the list to find and open WhatsApp. Tap App Permissions. Under the Allowed section, check whether Contacts is listed. If Contacts appears under Not Allowed, tap Contacts. Select Allow to give WhatsApp access to your contacts. Sync your WhatsApp account, go back to Settings. Scroll down and open Additional Settings. Tap Accounts and Sync, find and select WhatsApp from the list of accounts. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom menu. Select Sync Now, refresh your WhatsApp contact list. Open WhatsApp, tap the new chat icon. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner on Android. Select Refresh to make WhatsApp re-index your phone's address book. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.